I want of turning my table into slime because it's a mess and it looks bad. I'm gonna put store-bought slime on this. I don't know why. It was like this potion thing, and then it turned into slime. I don't know how. But what the heck is in here? Hold on. Oh guys, it's a Minecraft character. Who cares? Bye. Okay, let's start putting the slime on. I got this. But I'm not only putting one, but 2 more on, because I really want to get this done. So let's start. I don't know why, but I want a hot chocolate slime. This was in my pancake video that I haven't posted yet, so let me rip a piece out. Actually, yeah, piece. Hey guys, for some reason this is super rippy, so let me add some glue. I think I need to go get more shaving cream. Put that on, but it needs one more thing, more color. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add the strawberry slime. That used to be super sticky. Let me get a chunk out. Alright guys, so I got it out. Now it's time to add it on. Yep. Yeah, I don't think we're doing well with colors today. Who cares? We're gonna add more later. Mixy. I'll be right back. Add one more slime because I'm really bored. Hey guys, today I feel super purple, so we're gonna use violet. I gotta add some color. I really want it to be a light purple, so let me mix. I put my hands in even before I put in the activator, so my hands got really gooey. The slime, it's really a good texture. Now it's time to put it on. Say right here is good. It's like all over the place. Should I add a panda to it? I'm gonna add a panda. Panda time. It's a gibbet. Wait. It's a gibbet. Soon I'll be making slime on this. Slime on top of slime. Hi guys, I'll show you the result once it all hardens. So bye. Sorry, I never know how to write.